That one right, Bougie.
That one right. I gotta do lift off. Right?
Hold on, let me get a picture of this. Now.
Lift off.
Hold on, Bougie. This is the gap. Here she come. She's coming. She mastered it. She's doing good. Alright, we gotta go back further then. We're gonna push it back a little further.
Okay.
We're gonna make it a little difficult. Okay. She said that was too close. She wanna go high. We set the ramp up. She's out. Hold on, Bougie. Here come a car. Car's coming. All right, come on, Bougie. Here you go. Here's your time. She's off. Great speed.